Hello and welcome to another week. I spent the end of last week recovering from 2 very full-on days with some lighting issues. Managed to lose my speech and then it came back slurred. Anyway, the other people on the course were lovely about it. But today, first day of the next week, we've already had a really productive morning. We've been down to the GP surgery. I've been given some new medication to try for my POTS. I've had my flu jab and I saw the nurse for my monthly injection. And we put the prescriptions in and we picked up Elise's milk. So yeah, very busy, but very productive. She's right behind me. Hello! With your wings on still, from the doctors. Now we're going to go and see my parents who've come up for a few days. Not gonna lie, I feel rough. I seem to have reacted to the flu jab. It's affected my heart rate and that's made me feel really dizzy and queasy and affected my stomach. But it's better than ending up in hospital because I've got flu and that's affected my asthma. Because I've already had an A&E trip because a mild cold affected my asthma. I've popped out to the shops very quickly. I haven't even brushed my hair. I just need to be at home resting. But I've popped out to the shops because tomorrow Elise and I are going on our first accessibility consultancy day. We're going on the trains, doing some work for one of the train companies, which is really exciting. And we needed snacks because it's going to be a long day. The lady behind us in the queue really sweetly decided to do a random act of kindness, so she bought me our treats for tomorrow, which was so kind and so thoughtful and has made a difficult day that little bit easier. I am feeling quite a bit better. It seems to have gone away as quickly as it's come on. So we've come on a family trip to the park. You gonna climb? Yeah. Go on then. Up you go. That's it. Hello. Hi. Hello. Good girl, well done. You gonna come down the slide? Ready, steady, go! Come on then. Whee! Yay, was that fun? Yeah. Good. Is that right?
It's the term we use. We're always told to use the word surveyor.
Right. Yesterday was a PJ day, but I still managed to get a lot done. Having sat in this power chair for most of Monday, I was in a lot of pain. I still am. And I subluxated my kneecap. I'm not sure whether you say subluxated my knee or kneecap, but I did it. That's a partial dislocation and it hasn't gone back in yet. So today's going to be interesting, but we are back on the trains for another accessibility audit and we're currently at Birmingham New Street.
You might be able to.
Oh, fab!
And then
Gonna touch it. Whoop! Wow! And then look, we can, oops, we can drag it down so that it's at the right height for us. Come on! Good girl. Hi! Rather you than me.